says 78% and it's not connected.
Yeah, I got it turned off right now.
Oh, that's why it's not connected.
Yeah. Okay, that one should be a little better. Let's give it a little time. You have to wait till it connects. Okay.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, let's back up a little bit. Come back here. Okay, pull both of them down and in.
So, how about you do it?
No, you go ahead.
Wait.
It's just going to sit there. It's not going to take off. All right, turn them
Take
loose.
off.
I can take off now?
Just the left one. Just raise, just push
This
the...
one?
Yeah, that'll go up. All right.
The home point has been updated. Please
Let it
check.
sit right there. Just turn it loose. Okay.
Can I make it go far away, but in sight?
Go straight up with it. Yeah, carrot straight on up.
Tell me when that's high enough, okay?
Okay.
What are you doing?
Let's look at. I was bringing a camera down, pointing the camera down where it can see us. There we are. All right, now go up with it. Go on up with it. And it'll stay wherever you stop it or put it, you know. It'll just kind of follow where you want it to go.
Cool!
All right?
Can I make it go, like, left or right?
Yeah. So that's pointed that way, so it's going to be kind of backwards when you go left and right. You can rotate it around. Put this one sideways.
That
Push
one
it sideways and watch it go around. See that? All right,
And
now
that's the way-
now you can go forward with it.
Is it going to be out of range soon?
It won't go out of range.
It doesn't go out of range?
No, it will not.
Bye-bye, drone. Come back.
That's pretty good, huh? You like that? Let's look at the video and going up a little higher. Right here it tells how high it is. It's 89 feet going up high. Going up about 200 feet. Alright, going up about 200.
It's way up there. I don't know if I should do it. Have you ever did it?
Alright, now let's go turn it around this way just a little bit. Now the other one. Turn it to the right just a little bit.
This?
The other way. There you go. Alright, now whoa. Alright, now go back go back forward with it. And go over those trees. Go forward. Go in that field down behind us right there.
Like right there?
Yeah, go on down in that field. It's over there. See it
Whoa!
over there? I was going to see some horses down in there. Uh-oh.
Hey, there's one. Zoom in. Can you zoom in?
No, it doesn't zoom in.
Whoa, see that horse?
Yeah?
It's way over there.
There you go.
Can I go a little higher?
Yeah, that's high enough.
I'm afraid it'll get stuck in a tree.
Hey, we're way above the trees. Go to the, go
We
forward.
are? Go forward?
Yeah. This one, go forward. All right, go left with it.
Like this way?
This way. Yeah. See if you can get over the top of that horse. There he is. There's a horsey down there. All right.
And there's another horse.
Yep, there's another one. All right, rotate it to the left a little bit. There you go. Rotate it to the left where it's pointing back toward us. Oh, easy, easy, easy. Rotate it to the left more. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. All right, now come forward with it and bring it back here.
Come forward? Are you sure about this?
Yeah. This one, go forward with it.
Oh yeah, we're way above the trees.
Yeah. You see how low the trees are?
There's our house.
Yeah, there's a house coming up. Should be able to see. There it is, right there. See it, Lieutenant? All right, bring it on forward. There you go. You did it. All right, forward with it. All right, bring it left and bring it back over here.
Which was left?
Left, that way. All right, see it coming back toward us?
Yeah, let's let it land.
Okay.
Oh, is that right on top?
Yeah,
Of the house?
bring it on forward over here toward us. A little more. There you go. All right, now bring it down.
Now do it. Let's back up just
All right.
in case.
Okay, you're good. There you go. Come on down with it.
It's coming. I can hear it. Oh, that's not gonna land on tasting it.
There you go. You got it. All right. Bring it on down. That's the battery getting low. Bring it down real slow now and just bring it down and land it. Okay.
Can I crank it up one more time?
Well, it's still running. It never did cut off. You can raise it up just a little.
Okay, so.
All right, it went off then. All right, now.
Take
All right.
off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on
Let's
the map.
see. Let me get the camera up so you can see us.
Is the video still going?
Mm-hmm. Let's turn it around here where it'll look at us. There you go. See us right there?
Let's do a little.
Huh? Bring it forward toward us a little bit. When you go forward, it's going to come toward you. There you go. There you go.
Okay, let's smile.
Smile. Okay, you can land it now.
Do you have more batteries that you could use on it?
Yeah, but we're going to have to get ready. Pull slick on down. There you go.